This video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under public finance. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic intro to public finance and principles of taxation for the video. We have about 14 to 16 repeated questions practiced in this video. Let's get started. The first question here says the main kernels of tax are we have equality, simplicity, equity, and certainty. Simplicity, flexibility, elasticity, and equity. Productivity, neutrality, equity, and certainty. Equality and certainty, rather. Equality, certainty, convenience, and the economy. The right answer is option D. That's the right order. We have equality, certainty, convenience, and economy. Okay, so that's it for this question. Next question, option D, the right answer to this question. Next question, this one, it says a tax that increases at a higher percentage as income increases is called a progressive tax. Option A. Next question, this one, it says in Nigeria, revenue sharing for the federation account is between the federal, state government, and the Senate, executive, the judiciary, and the legislature, federal, state, and local government, federal, state, local governments, and the parastatals. The right answer is option C, federal, state, and local government. Okay, very important. Next question, this one, it says government uses all the following ways to redistribute income except we have taxation, limited liability, transfer earnings, market intervention. The right answer is option B. This is an exception, limited liability. Next question, this one, it says economy is referred to private goods as we have non-rival and non-excludable, rivalrous and non-excludable, non-rival and excludable, rivalrous and excludable. The right answer is option D, rivalrous and excludable. Next question is this one, it says the type, sources, and uses of government income are mainly concerned with public finance. Option D. Okay, very important. The next question, this one, it says which of the following are the major disadvantage of direct system of taxation? We have this incentive of hard work, difficulties in assessment and collection, imperfection in tax assessments. All of them are included. So the right answer is option A. Okay, all the two we have here are disadvantages of direct system of taxation, major disadvantages. Okay. Next question, this one says progressive tax structure is designed to take equal proportion of income from both the rich and the poor, take more from the income of the poor, take more from the income of the rich, reduce the problems emanating from tax imposition. Right answer is option C, take more from the income of the rich. The next question, this one, it says which of the following can be considered as being outside the objectives of public finance? The objective of even distribution of income and wealth, the allocation of resources to various sectors of the economy, the achievement of economic stability, the deregulation of the economy. So guys, the one that is outside the objective is the deregulation of the economy. Next question is this one, it says public debt is composed of we have internal debts and World Bank loans, money owed to local and foreign contractors, internal and external debts, loans granted by International Monetary Fund and African Development Bank. The right answer is option C, internal and external debts. Okay, next question, this one, it says the use of legally permissible means to reduce tax liability is known as avoidance. Option A. Okay, next question, this one, it says the main kernels of tax. I think I've already answered a similar question. That should be our question 1. So the right answer here is option C, equality, certainty, convenience, and economy. This is the right order, option C. Next question, this one, it says the principle that specifies that the amount, when and how to pay tax should be made known to taxpayer is known as principle of economy, principle of certainty, principle of simplicity, principle of convenience. The right answer is option B, principle of certainty. The last question before I end this video is this one, it says the objective of public finance is to promote government revenue, drive and minimize government expenditure, is to promote the expansion of government social services, is to promote government revenue drive and expenditure to as high a level as possible, is to promote full employment, national income, and price stability. Right answer is option D, is to promote full employment, national income, and price stability. So guys, basically you can do a problem involving intro to public finance and principles of taxation for the JAMB economy. So practice with about 14 to 16 repeated questions for these subtopics. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Comment if you for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the membership by clicking the join button, getting premium information and help you to excel in your student exams like your JAMB and other student exams writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.